Hello everyone, welcome back all Khasi people, Shillong, Meghalaya. Yo, peace out. Gabsgabitv from Africa. Welcome.
And Subi from Nepal.
And
I've
today,
already been in this reaction video before.
Yeah, she made previous video with us.
Do watch those videos.
You can go and check out, guys. So today she's back, and we are getting to one suggested video here by the title Muhor
ka Jingieid.
Jingieid. So this is from movie. This is movie song, I think. So we are going to check out. Make sure to subscribe, put on the notification bell so that you get our regular video, guys. Let's do it. Tell us what does it mean, guys. What does it mean? Muhor ka Jingieid.
Na yang trek ime muhor ka Jingieid yang ala syonsya Beting jengka apingan penhiar ko tiu lengsiar
The girl is pretty. And I think I saw this girl somewhere.
Na bên ta chung ý Jing e cánh cửa là cùng ký màu trắng Trở la quay trong đi Na ai thì xem nhà ngà trở la đi Thẹp hạ bộ đồ nuột trong phí Nhưng có cái gì cùng bà phí ô ý Mà chỉ cần sai luôn ấy tăng nhà phí
Hà jing kemen nga Sungan he ngan pertabren perthaikan yang saki ya jing pernai ka Jingieid jongi hajing kemana berkala wai bersesungan he ngan pertabren perthaikan yang saki ya jing pernai ka Jingieid jongi
Cùng sừng pelin ju ban nhai nè là hát kinh Jingieid không ô bỏ liêu cần khơi soi há man khi ai âm
Cùng person tiêu phụ bốn chết kỳ rong Phi long tiêu la
You know, this actor, the guy, is called Kebur. Also is famous by the name Marabang. They also call him the Jing Man.
You said before.
Yeah, we reacted to him before. That
in
music
previous reaction channel also,
Yeah.
I reacted to this boy.
He's so good in acting. Like most of the popular music video in Meghalaya, we are finding him as the actor there. They are featuring him. He's so good. And the girl in this video is just super, man. No comment. Super. Let's check
Template ki khmat Jingieid bi pikring Ya kamu si chana Halaman we musin nga chukali Ngam la ban chuba Kung longa chay hatway ka Jingieid Bangga po shapi
Kinh ri Jingieid nang thao u la wo Ngem la ban smong thu
I like his name.
very like this
Hajing kemana berkala wai bersesungan he ngan pertabren perthaikan yang saki ya jing pernai ka Jingieid jongi hajing kemana berkala wai bersesungan he ngan pertabren perthaikan yang saki ya jing pernai ka Jingieid jongi ya jing pernai ka Jinkmana berkala we berkhsusun he ngan pertabren perthaikan yang sakhi.
Okay, that was amazing to watch. Looks so quality,
Yeah.
so amazing. Like I just love it.
Dressing, background,
I just love the
actors,
I love the red
everyone
dress.
looks
The
so
first
nice.
the first scene of the red dress they were matching, it was so nice.
Mm.
This is the only dress I love when the actor this actor dress with the red suit, it was looking super. The other dress, yellow one, the casual one, right? You call it this
Orange,
way.
orange.
Was it orange?
Yes, orange is.
That one was little also good, but the other one, the white one, doesn't look good on him. It was even it's not good. But the girl dress all look amazing, and she's so beautiful, guys. I don't know.
She has dimple on
I
her
think
face.
she's half Korean and half Indian. I
No,
think so.
she's full Khasi.
She's full Meghalaya. Oh my
Of
goodness.
course, Meghalaya girls are
That's
also
so beautiful, guys. What? Tell us what does it mean by Muhor Jingieid? Wow, that's amazing.
Muhor ka Jingieid.
Yeah, Lamjingshai.
Eid means love, right?
Huh?
Eid means love.
Yeah, Jingieid. It's like Jingieid, my love. Muhor Jingieid. I think it's like my love, but Muhor.
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 Like in our language, we have Muhar. It's called face. Muhar. Muhar. Muhar.
Okay, tell us the full meaning, guys.
Muhar.
Thank you for suggesting this beautiful video. The video is so quality. We just saw how beautiful is Meghalaya in general. Like you saw the natural beauty, the
Streets
hills,
and those
the
lakes, everything.
It's so beautiful, guys. Thank you so much. We will visit Meghalaya again soon. We will see you soon,
You
guys.
already visited Meghalaya.
I visit, guys, but I
Give
didn't
us-
explore
give
well.
us
I
so
just
much like that will come.
yeah, I didn't explore Meghalaya. I visit, but I'm not that satisfied with.
Please help
With
us.
the
Please
previous
help us
visit.
come Meghalaya.
But we are coming soon after we hit 50K above,
Yeah,
guys.
help
Do it.
us. Help us achieving
Yeah,
that.
subscribe, guys. Now share the video. Love you all. Thank you.